Hello, welcome to the course Python Programming for Beginners. We are in Module 5, Lecture-4, Formatted Printing as part of Input and Output. Formatted printing. Actually, you want to print something in our screen. What we will use? We have to use print function. In print function, there are the following four ways to control the formatting of output. The first one is using formatted string literals. This is frequently called as fstrings. It is easiest way to use. The second way is by using one of the built-in method, format method. It is the older method. You are having another C programming language print style. It is legacy method. Finally, the fourth way using slicing and concatenation operation. It is very difficult method. At present, the first method, that is using string literals, is the most commonly used method, followed by the next frequently used method is by using the built-in function format function. Let us demonstrate some of the example programs on this. Okay, the first simple program here, formatted printing using string literals. Frequently it is called as F strings. How this will be used in our Python programming? Let us first open our Python, ideally shell, whatever the version you install. Here I already demonstrated the programs recently. I will open that program directly here. Here you can see this is the program. In this we are using string literals, also called as F strings. For example, here we are defining three variables with their respective values. First one R, smaller, stands for radius. Second one L stands for length. Third one stands for breadth. Here three values are assigned: 3.1456, 1.3, 10.56. See the order of the values assigned here. First 3.1456 is assigned to the first variable R. Then second one 1.3 is assigned to the second variable L. Then finally the third value 10.56 is assigned to the third variable B. This is multiple variables with multiple values. In assignment statement, this is possible. Now using the formatted string literals, you want to print these values by using our output function, print function. So that formatted string literals or F strings prefixed with the letter F. Then within quotation, whatever you want to print, the variable followed by call the variable. The variable that can be called by enclosing within the set brackets. This is mandatory. Okay, now first what we are printing, radius value. So the radius value where you can take from the variable L. How it is called? By assigning using assignment operator equal to. So within the set bracket you can use the variable whatever you use for radius, then close the quotation. This entire thing is quoted, now prefixed with F, so that is formatted string. So if you can run this program, what the first print statement will be printed. So R, whatever the value 3.1456 is printed here. The second print statement, suppose you want to print all the three variables. So here first we are printing length by calling what is the length variable. This is second one, L. Then you are printing breadth also. What is the breadth variable? B. Then radius also we are printing, radius equal to radius variable equal to R. So here, whatever the order you can give based on the values you are calling, those can be printed. Okay, now this entire, all the three values, whatever you are printing, those can be enclosed within quotations, prefix with F. F is the formatting string. Okay, then suppose you want to print a string by splitting. Suppose here x equal to what we have taken, our course name Python programming for beginners. So by using iteration, you can use loop for loop. So later upcoming modules, we will discuss in detail about all these loops, iterative statements. So here for x1, we are taking a new variable from where? From x equal to Python programming for beginners. We are splitting x using the method split method x dot split. The result that can be stored in x1, then we can print x1. Here in Python, indentation is must. So here with the specified indentation position, you have to print the value using print function. Print again by using formatted string pattern within quotation we are calling. So what is the variable here? X1. What X1 contains? The split results that can be stored in X1 by reading the string from left to right. Then it splits word wise. So this is the simple program. Here we used formatted strings pattern. So after completion of writing the program, you can save. This already saved. The file name by default it takes the extension as py. Every Python program extension is .py. Whatever the file name before extension, that you can give. Now, if you want to run this program, here go to the run menu. In run menu, click on run module, or directly from keyboard you can press F5. Now here you can see this is the output we got. Let us compare this output with your program, whatever you have taken. Now here you can see the first print statement what we are printing, formatting radius. Radius equal to R. Radius equal to what is the parameter you called R? What R contains? The first value 3.1456, that is printed here. The second print statement what you done, first you are printing length by calling L. So length equal to what is L here? The second one 1.3. Then next value, which one you are printing? Breadth equal to B. So your breadth equal to B. B means the third value. Third value is 10.56. Then what you are calling next one? Radius equal to R. So R is at first position. So 3.1456 radius equal to. So these are the first two print statements output. Then the third print statement, here you can see, here we are using for loop. We are splitting the given string which is stored in X, Python programming for beginners. So here you're having, so Python programming for beginners, 4 words are there that can be splitted into 4 rows. So now here you can see you are calling x1 here with formatting print of f x1. So x1 means the split results. So the first split is Python, the second split is programming, the third split is for, then the fourth split is beginners. So like that, so the string that can be splitted into the number of rows based on the given number of words in the given string. So this is one simple programming. Then let us check one more program. So in this program, what you will do, by using the inbuilt format function. So for using format function, how to print the formatting results. So using format method of the string object. So here let us take the same example, radius equal to length breadth. Radius comma length comma breadth equal to 3 values are assigned. Now we are taking another combination, name, age, salary. Suppose name equal to some RMU, let us assume age equal to 30. then salary equal to 40,097.15. Let us take just for representation purpose only. You can change your own values. Now you want to print in order by position of variables using empty parentheses. So without calling any variables, simply if you can use empty parentheses, then what type of how the values are displayed? Let us see. Print in order by position of variables using empty parentheses. Okay, now first we are calling here, first for our understanding purpose, what we are printing, that message is included in the print statement. So in print statement, whatever the message included, that will be displayed in our output. Print in order by position of variables using empty. Same is displayed in our output screen. Then this can be underlined for decoration purpose, which gives the impression, visualization clearly. So here we have using the underline hyphen. Next, the third statement, we are printing radius. Radius equal to, simply you are calling empty braces. Then length equal to, you are calling empty braces without the variable. Then breadth equal to, you are calling with empty braces without calling using the variable. So then here all these are all enclosed within quotation. In our output also this can be printed. Now using the format method as object by using dot operator, dot, using format function, inside the function you can pass the arguments whatever the in order. So actually here we are printing in order. So first radius corresponding variable is r, so you can keep r first. The second one length, length corresponding parameter variable is L, so that is the second one. The third one, breadth corresponding parameter is B, so here you are calling B. So in the same order, R, L, B, R corresponding to radius, then L corresponding to length, then breadth corresponding to, B corresponding to breadth. In the same order, this can be printed. Similarly, name, age, salary. So what is the variable corresponding to name? Here we have used name lowercase. So dot format of name. Then age corresponding variable is age with lowercase letter. So you can use age. Then the third one, salary corresponding variable is salary with lowercase. So we have given in the same order because here we are printing in order by position of variables using empty parentheses without passing direct values. Using format method, you are passing the values in the order. Now you want to print your desired order, not in the same sequence. So you want to print whatever the order you want. So print in any desired order. So now here you can see radius equal to 2, length equal to 1, breadth equal to 0. Your position start with 0, 0, 1, 2, like. So radius equal to 2 means here which value it takes. First 0 is 3, 0th position is 3.145, 1 is 1.3, 2 is 10.56. Here we have given radius as second means 0, 1, 2. So it prints 10.56. Then length equal to 1 we have given. So 0, 1 means 1.3. Then breadth equal to 0. That means first position value 3.1456. So in the formatting function, whatever the order of the variables or LB or any order you can give. So but here already inside the parenthesis you have given the position. So it takes based on the positions. Similarly, A is equal to 1, 0, 1 second value. Salary equal to 2, that means 0, 1, 2 third value. Name equal to 0 means first value. Here in the format function, whatever the order, you can pass the variables, not a problem. Here you are using name is salary. Then the next thing, suppose you want to print name and salary in specified number of columns. So like earlier we used a split function like that. So you want to specify the number of columns, then it creates space before the value, whatever you are printing. So now in this, for example, name equal to the range can be defined as starting position up to the length. So 0 is to 5. So with 0, starting position means 0, with maximum length of the output displaying is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total is 5. So we are printing name with this range length. Then salary equal to starting position is 1, 1 to 8. So the maximum. Then you are using format function. You are calling the values name comma salary. Okay, now you want to print radius with number of required columns, that okay, same as previous one, and digits after decimal point. You want to specify number of digits after decimal point. Here you can see. So radius equal to okay 0 to 6, that is okay, by using dot. So here 3 we have given means, so after decimal point it prints 3 numbers. So by using again formatting string letters followed by format function, you are calling the corresponding variable. Okay, here you can see first this one, printing in order by position, that is one. Second category, print in any desired order, this one. Then the third category, print name and salary in specified number of columns. Then last one, print the radius in number of required columns and digits after decimal point. These are all the different formats we use it here. Let us run this program. Click on run, then run module or F5. Let us see. Let us see all the corresponding outputs. The first one, let us see one by one. What is the first one here actually? So print in order by position of variables using empty. So here, first here you can see. First you are printing radius equal to, here you called the order first what you have given in the format method R. So what R contains 3.1456. Here you can see radius equal to 3.1456. Second what you have given, second you have given length. Length equal to the second parameter in the format method is L. So what is the L here? 1.3. Now here you can see L equal to 1.3 is printed. Then the third one what you have done, you are printing breadth equal to, so what is the breadth parameter B? Here B means 10.56. So here you can see the third one. Here you can see third one is 10.56. Okay, the next one. What is the next output? So the next output is, here you can see in desired order. So what is the desired order? You are given radius equal to 2, length equal to 1, breadth equal to 0 you have given. Radius equal to 2 means 0, 1, 2, third value. So what is the third value here? 10.56. Here you can see radius equal to 10.56. Then length, what is the position you have given? Here length equal to 1. That means 0, 1, second value. That is, what is the second value? 1.3. Here you can say length equal to 1.3. For breadth, what is the position you have given? For breadth, you have given position as 0. 0 means first value, that is 3.1456. Here you can see breadth equal to 3.1456. Okay, the next one, the third category, then print in any desired order. A radius, what you have given, that we already covered. The third one, name and salary in specified number of columns. Here, for example, here you can see, you can come down this program. So print in any desired order, that is over. Now you are printing name and salary in specified number of columns. Your name equal to 0 to 5, salary equal to 1 to 8. You are passing name and salary. Let us see this one. So here you can see print name and salary in the specified number of columns. This you can see. Here name equal to 0 to 5. So what is the name you have assigned here? Initially you can see For example, here name equal to RMM we have given. So here what is the position we have given? 0 to 5. Let us see. Here you can see RMM is the name. So remaining actually the maximum length is 5. So but here only 3 characters are there in our string. Remaining 2 characters it takes blank. Before RMM you can see 2 spaces are there. So actually here 2 spaces are there. The 2 spaces filled with blank. That is 0 to 5. Including blanks, the total length is 5. So the next one, what you are printing salary equal to 1 to 8. So 1 to 8, total length 8. So here what is the salary actually? So 40,097.15. Here you can see what is the output you are getting. So total count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here our total length what we have taken 8. So 5. Then here you can see before decimal point it counts the length. Here spaces are there. So totally it balances whatever the length we have given. Then finally what we are printing radius in number of required columns and digits after decimal point. So here same as previous one, 0 to 6, total length is 6, let us assume. Dot 3 after decimal point 3 digits. So what is R equal to radius equal to 3.1456. So after decimal point 3 digits, what it prints 3.145. So 3.145. Let us see the output. Here you can see. The last one here you can see. Radius equal to print radius in number of columns with digits after decimal. After decimal point, what you have given? 3 digits. So here you can see after decimal point, this is decimal point. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits only printed. But our original value is so 1456. So 145, the last one 5 is rounded because after that 6 is there. It printed the highest value 146. Here you can see 146. So what is the total length we have given? 6 we have given. Here you can see 1 before decimal only 1. Then remaining spaces here you can see. So like that it will be formatted. So this is the another example by using format method, and again here f string is also used. So that's all about formatted printing as part of input and output. In upcoming modules, we will see other interesting topics. Till then, stay tuned for latest updates. All of you, a very happy learning.